My kid saw my Harry Potter donut.
Why don't Harry Potter again? He voted for me. Why you that again? Nice. My reward for myself. Nice. I don't send my lollipop card. Are you gonna eat that later? No. You don't like it? No, I can't like the Harry Potter donut. Good for me. But I want to share. Huh? I eat only one piece and you eat the rest. But there's only one donut. How are we gonna share? There's only one donut. Let me just eat a tiny one. A tiny one. Okay, get the dishes first. Kunin mo yung mga hugasan. What? Hugasan. Why hugasan? Hugasan is dishes. I don't have any dishes. On my trash, why bottle? Dun, sa sala. Tingnan mo doon.